So now we have everything to start assembling our Ispahan. I've matched up all of my shells, so we have our top and the bottom. So with the top, just pick the nicer one out of the two. And I've pulled my lychee compote out of the fridge, and I've just allowed it to kind of get to room temperature, or just to soften it up slightly. And I'm just going to transfer it to a piping bag. So we're going to start with our French buttercream, which we've flavoured rose, and start in the centre of each macaron shell. Now we're going to take a fresh raspberry and we're going to pop one into the centre. Now we have our lychee compote, and we're going to put some lychee around the edge of our raspberry. Now with our fresh raspberries, we're going to go around the edge of each Ispahan. Now we're going to add some more cream on the top. And then we can pop our lids on. So let's finish off our Ispahans. So we're going to start decorating these with our raspberry and rose petals, and I'm using the classic red rose petals. I have a few raspberries left as well. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit of glucose syrup, or you can use your buttercream. And we're going to put a couple of dots, one on either side of our pastry to help those stick. Have our rose petal and our raspberry. And to make our rose petal look lovely and fresh, we're going to dot it with a little bit of neutral glaze. I've just run out of piping bags, so I made a paper one, but you can just use a regular piping bag. And there you go, you can carry on with the rest. Now you just want to pop them on your pastry card. So these are the same ones that we use to make our guide for our macaron shells. And I like to just put a few drops of glucose syrup on there, just so they're going to stick, just a tiny amount. You really don't need much. And then you can pop your pastry on top. So there we have it, guys. There's our vegan Ispahan with all those beautiful, elegant flavors from the rose, raspberry, and lychee. So I would recommend that you put these into the fridge for a few hours just to infuse all of those flavors and for your macaron shell to soften up before you enjoy these. And just before you're about to serve them, just leave them on the counter for about 10 to 15 minutes, or just so they can get a little bit softer, so that buttercream is the perfect consistency. I hope you enjoyed these, and now it's time to take some photos. See you next time.